We're going to go ahead and learn how to do a rock recover. And a rock recover can be forward and back, to the right or to the left. As long as you step forward, either with your left or your right foot, you just have to recover on your opposite foot. For the demonstration, we're going to start with the right. So you rock, recover with your left. Left foot, you rock forward, recover on the right. To the side, rock side, recover on the left. To the left side, left, recover on the right. You could also go backwards with the right or with your left, as long as you recover on the opposite foot. Rock back with the right, forward on the left, rock back left, forward on the right. This was rock recover.